Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm Christmas shopping and I'm right outside HMV, and as you can see we've got some cool looking stuff in the window, but what I'm interested in is these mystery boxes, $9.99, including a minimum of 5 items, Amazon value $24.99. So I wonder what's in them. They do have a kids amazing mystery fun box, 5 random TV and movie gifts in every box, just $9.99, but I'm interested in these. So should I go for the blue one or the red one? I think I'm going to go for the red one. So I'm going to go in HMV now and buy one, and I will see you at home and open it on camera so you can find out what is in one of these boxes. So I will see you back at home. See you in a bit. Hello everybody, as you can see I am home now and I have my mystery box. It's actually on my sofa and I have a white sheet on my sofa so you can see better, because my sofa has black throws, so that's why I put the sheet there. So let us get on with the unboxing. 5 items, minimum Amazon value $24.99. Well, let's see if that is the case. Here's the box. So let's take a look. What's the best way to open this? Here. There. So I need to get some scissors, which I have on hand, and when they're on there, just to steady it. You see, if it was a massive YouTuber, I would have a cameraman holding the camera for me, and then I wouldn't have to do all this kind of stuff one-handed. Are we ready? What do you think will be in the box? Oh, the excitement. Drum roll please. Dun, dun, dun. Open, 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 open. So, what is this? This looks fairly interesting actually. There is, what's this top thing? A little bag. I don't know what that is. I thought when it was folded up on top that it was a Star Wars bag of some sort, but I have no idea what that is. Is there a label that will tell me more? What's inside? What's inside the top? Label. Label doesn't say anything. Oh wait. Ghostbusters. It's a Ghostbusters bag. Well, definitely not into Ghostbusters. The Mortal Instruments, I have no idea what that is. Some Avengers, whatever that is. Star Wars helmet pencil toppers. Call of Duty Black Ops. I guess that's good if you're into Call of Duty. It's reversible, but I have zero interest in Call of Duty. And one more thing folks, it's a book, Breaking Bad. Fun fact, I have never ever seen a single episode of Breaking Bad, but that said, it is a decent quality little book. And I do need a new one of these, because when I make my videos I write little notes about what I filmed and when I'm going to post it and where I filmed them, video titles and stuff. And I have a little book and it's practically full. There's like about 4 pages left, and I was going to go and get a new one. I was going to choose a nice pink one, but I guess now that will be my own book. So out of everything here, the book will be the only thing I use. But is it worth £10? I mean, to me, no, because, oops, caught my scissors on there. Shape. To me, no, it's not really worth £10, because I have zero interest in any of the things here. I'm not into Ghostbusters, never heard of that. I do like Star Wars, but I'm not into Star Wars pencil toppers. I have zero interest in the Avengers, and I also have zero interest in Call of Duty, although I suppose that is quite a decent hat. I might do a giveaway for the rest of the stuff. What do you reckon? I'm disappointed. I mean, it was only a tenner, so disappointed is a strong word. I'm disappointed that it's very much all male orientated stuff. There's like nothing girly or pink, or it's all very boyish. It's also stuff that's fairly old. I don't know, is that old? I do know there's more than one Call of Duty game, but I don't know anything else about Call of Duty. But maybe I'll do a giveaway. Who knows? Tell me what you think in the comments. I'm keeping the book. Probably. You might want to check the connection settings in the Google. Oh, I just muted my TV. And it's just unmuted itself. That was rude. So I've just remuted it. So yeah, let me know if you'd be interested in the giveaway for a hat, a stupid Ghostbusters bag, and these pointless little things. Well, it's bright outside. Let's take a look outside in my garden, and we can see what the weather is like. What do you think of that, folks? Sky's nice and blue. And should I go outside and film? I'm going to go for a walk, maybe a walk on the prom. I do have a few more bits to get for Christmas dinner tomorrow. So yeah, a few bits and bobs to do, but otherwise I'm all set. Most of my stuff's wrapped and ready. And I'm going to be pretty chill for the next couple of days. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. And I know it was a bit different, but I am going to put a few different things on my channel. Not many, but 1 or 2 now and again. And anyway, I hope you all have a great Christmas, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.